Hi, my name is Ahmad, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make a 3D logo using Adobe Photoshop. First open Google and search graphicsfamily.com. Here you can find free logos, mockups, graphics and print templates. I've chosen this template. You can choose any template you want. Download it from here. Open Photoshop file from here. Now click on Logo layer. Paste your logo file here. Make sure background of your logo is removed. If background is not removed, you can remove it from Photoshop too. I am removing background of my logo. Once your logo is removed, now copy it by pressing Ctrl+CE and paste it by pressing Ctrl+V into layer that was open before. Press tick mark and close layer. That's it. You can see the results. It looks like realistic and 3D. If you want me to make more videos like this, show love by liking and subscribing.